it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is principal. Now, when we think of principal, we don't mean high school principal. We mean the principal you put into a bond. The bond is a $1,000 bond. Its principal is $1,000. Now, if bond yields go higher, that principal could go lower to show a higher yield. But when the bond pays off, the principal amount is $1,000. Now, when bonds trade, you can buy them above par or above the principal because maybe rates went lower and that bond is paying a higher rate. So then the current rates are ideal. But at the end of the day, the principal payback is the face value of the bond. Now, there's other kinds of principals like principal in a transaction, principal at a high school, I have a principal, all kinds of things. But today, the bond principal is the face value of the bond. Today's word is principal.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.